What is happening, guys? Xiaomi here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. So let's begin right away with this review video about the Redmi Note 10. And this phone right here in the Netherlands, it will cost you 166 euros. So definitely a budget-friendly phone. But as always, we want to know if this is any good. So let's check out the specs real quickly. So this phone has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 678, a 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display, Gorilla Glass 3. It weighs only 178 grams, 5000 mAh battery, 4 rear cameras, 1 punch hole front-facing camera, fingerprint scanner on the side, does not have 5G, dual speakers, headphone jack, IP53 rated, and much more specs to read out, but I just don't feel like it because you can just look that up on the internet, on the website of Xiaomi or GSM Arena whatsoever, right? So you can just look that up. So the AMOLED display is definitely the main selling point of this camera. And if you want to know if the screen is actually any good, well, here's a little example. And as you see, the screen is definitely really good. If you are somebody that watches a lot of movies, social media, stuff like that, you know, and you just want to enjoy like pictures in general, then this is definitely a nice screen. The colors on the screen are looking very vibrant, very nice as well. And honestly, if this came out a couple of years ago, you would not pay 166 euros. So the screen is definitely the biggest feature on this smartphone, and I really like it, and I think you will really enjoy it as well. Let's talk about other things as well. So the build in general, it is a plastic build, but it feels really good and lightweight in hand. It does not feel like a budget phone, and usually with a budget phone you can definitely feel that it's a little bit thicker or like feels really like cheap or anything, but this feels actually really good. Even though it is made from plastic, it is a lightweight device, and with this screen on it, it definitely does not look like a cheap device at all. So let's talk about the performance. The performance of this smartphone with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 678, you know, this is not a slow processor at all, but it definitely has some limitations. If you want to open up many apps at the same time, you can definitely tell that this is not the fastest processor in the world. But also for some games, you just cannot play it on the highest graphics level. But of course, lighter games such as this game right here, I think it's Crash Bandicoot or Crash on the Run, I believe. As you see, you know, it definitely is able to play that game. So performance wise, in this price point, I think it is a really solid performer. So let's talk about the cameras. Are the cameras actually any good? Can you take beautiful pictures with it? And honestly, if you know what you're doing, if you know how to set up the lighting and the composition and stuff like that, you can definitely create some beautiful pictures. But if you want to do like video work, then this is not the greatest performer. So for photos, as you see right here, for photos it looks really good and it looks really nice as well. But for video, as you see right here, it just doesn't look really good. Even though it has some stabilization, it's still, you know, it's okay. It's okay. The battery life with the 5000 mAh battery and also the fast charging option that you get, it is just really cool that you have this kind of performance or this kind of longevity in such a price point. So battery life, it is really good. So yeah, you know, in general, what do I think about it? Final verdict, let's say it, let's put it that way. This phone is definitely for somebody that is on a tight budget or just don't want to spend a lot of money, but does want to have a nice screen with a solid performing like processor and device, and occasionally want to take some pictures. Then this, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10, is definitely worth checking out. And for this price point, 166 euros, this is really worth checking and really worth buying as well. So yeah, that's it for this video. A quick little video, like a little bit non-scripted, but you know, it is what it is. Sometimes you cannot prepare for everything. Sometimes you just want to roll out videos. But yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you again for watching. Subscribe to the channel to see more reviews coming up. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Good luck.